Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to send a blank message on WhatsApp. Friends, in WhatsApp there is no direct option to send a blank message, but by using some trick you can very easily send a blank message. So to send a blank message in WhatsApp, you need to open your web browser. Now here I will open a website. I will share the link of this website in the description of the video. Now here you simply need to click on copy and go to your WhatsApp chat, and here in the chat you need to paste the code and press on the send button. Now your blank message is sent on WhatsApp. Like this you can send multiple blank messages. So friends, like this you can very easily send a blank message on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.